Hi guys, welcome to part 2 again.
Part 2? Sana all?
Let's go. We're just like, oh my goodness.
Excuse me,
Let's go.
I'm telling you.
Okay. Come on now. Piling mo, yakapin mo. Sorry guys. I'm overreacting. Okay, where? Dito? Here? Dito?
Opo.
Okay. Sorry guys, I speak Tagalog always. Okay? When I'm in Manila. Let's go pack my things in there. So we're just going to head and start.
Huwag mo ipopost yun, ha?
I'm not gonna.
Muna.
So guys, some future questions. No Q&A time. What's this? Yours? Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay, that's yours.
Ano, Diyos? Ay. Kunin mo yung ano ni Mami. Yung...
Can you guys wait there? Just stay with mommy. Just hi to the vlog, mom.
Hi. Hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. I cannot go with 15 minutes. It's just 1 minute again. Who's this? Kay sino to?
Sa akin.
I'm gonna get my lip change. I need it.
Saan ko siya? Pabigat? Ano, hiniin mo, Mama?
Mommy, can I just borrow your lip change? I cannot find it. Okay? Here you go, mommy, your curler and my glasses. Okay, here you go. Sky travel. So we're traveling to Manila. This is mommy's curler. Mommy, I need this for my cap, I guess. Or not.
No worries.
Guys, look my favorite bag. This bag. Cool. What's this? I forgot. Can you tell the name in the comments? Okay, and this is my Melody and Pikachu and a little ribbon. What's is in here? It's here. There's nothing. But I don't like is some glitter because it stick to my hand. Cannot see it, but that's fine. Okay, where's this? Here? Okay, there you go. And my mom's makeup.
Dami mo naman, Mom.
Wow, you're introduced to my channel.
Okay.
You're my special guest. Yeah, my cousin is playing COD over there. The one who has uniform is Ate Joy, which is my cousin again. And that red one, the red one, the red one, the red one is Ate Joshua. My cousin too.
Nauli.
Where's this? Can I put this here? Okay, thank you. My phone, dalhin ko na lang. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm
late.
no. Sorry that I speak Tagalog. I'm in Philippines, guys. Look at this. It's nighttime. Ah! Anong oras ang flight?
7 kilo.
Anong oras ang flight?
Pero wala ka mandar.
Anong oras ang flight?
Ganun talaga so, bado mo bika sa bago.
Anong oras ang flight? Anong oras ang flight? Anong oras ang flight? 6 what? 6.
8:30.
Oh,
Ay,
our flight is
Pag meron lang ano.
wait.
Pag meron lang.
Wait.
Pag meron lang. Hindi.
Wait, guys, wait. 8, wait, 6, 8, 6? What?
8.
8 what?
8:50.
8:50, guys. That's it starting, so I'm done. We're all done. Mommy, wait. How can I, when I go back in here, how can I,
Kabila dapat.
dadalhin ko to?
Sobra na yun eh.
Dadalhin ko to? Dadalhin ko to, ano, pang uwi din ngayon, dito?
Luwaman ka mo. Pwede mo.
Wow.
No way! I get the whole luggage. Okay, I'm just going to buy. Okay. Here you go. Okay, my coffee. Can you? How to, mommy? How to? Ano? The pull. The ano? I'm sorry, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm done.
Ha?
Oh, it's so heavy. So guys, look at me. I can. Look at the Holy Spirit. Okay, there, guys. That's it for today. Goodbye. Make sure to hit the subscribe button.